Ivanti Neurons for MDM supports integration with Google Beyond Corp for conditional access. With this, we can now forward the device posture of the device enrolled under Ivanti Neurons for MDM to Google Beyond Corp and take advantage of the context-aware rules that are enforced. Once Ivanti Neurons for MDM is integrated with Google Beyond Corp, we are going to create a conditional access rule for the iOS device so that device is forced to register to Google. In this case, the user will receive a prompt to authenticate, and once the device is authenticated, it will get registered into Google Workspace Console. The compliance posture will appear in Devices, Overview section. We will see the new fields with the device identifier and the user. Now, if we try to put a device out of compliance with a quick rule, for example, an operating system version is below iOS 17, then we will force it to be blocked or quarantined. Once the device syncs, we will see that the device is effectively violating the policy that we have created. Now if we go down, we'll see that there is a flag of non-compliance. If we move to the device side, we'll see the violation notification. If we try to open any application that is behind Google, for example, Google Docs, Google will ask the user to authenticate, and as the device is out of compliance, the user will receive a notification blocking the access. Now if we move to the Google console and look for the same device, we'll find the non-compliance flag is visible there. Now once the device is in compliance again after syncing with Neurons for MDM console, when the user tries to access any Google app, the user will notice that he has regained access to the Google application. If we try to move to the Google console once again, we'll see that the device is in compliance again. Now we will see the same process on Android devices. We will first distribute the Google Beyond config to the Android device. On the device side, select the Google account and click Continue. Now it is asking for permission. Allow the access. Now we can see that the device is in compliance. We can see the compliance details under the Device Overview section. If we move into the Google console and look for the same device, we will find that the compliance flag is visible there. Now if we try to put a device out of compliance with a quick rule, for example, if an operating system version is not equal to 9, then we will force it to be blocked or quarantined. If we go to policies, we'll see the device is in violation of those policies. If we go down, we'll see the non-compliance flag is visible. If we move into the Google console and look for the same device, we'll find the non-compliance flag is visible there. If the user tries to open any Google application on the device, for example, Google Drive, Google will check the compliance status and the user will receive a notification blocking the access. Now let's make the device compliant again. Once the device syncs, we'll see that the device is in compliance again. If we go down, we'll see that the device is back to compliant. On the device side, if we try to access Google Drive now, then we will be able to access it as usual. In this way, we can easily enforce context-aware policies with Ivanti Neurons for MDM and Google Beyond Corp.